being able to examine your credit history. So what you want to do is go to annualcreditreport.com. This is a reputable site, even though it could have looked kind of scammy there because of the black hand with the social security card on there with the glove on. But like it's saying, don't be fooled by lookalikes and all those little messages there. Identity theft, good credit. Nevertheless, this is the website that you're going to go to request your free credit report. You're going to click on this button right here. And then you're going to follow these 3 steps. You're going to fill out the form. I may as well click it. You're going to put your first name, last name, all this information here, your social security, it's safe. Your current address. You're going to click next, and you're going to go through that whole process, and you will be able to have the option of the reports mailed and also emailed or downloadable. You need to do that. Before the end of this week, you need to do that. That is how we're going to be able to examine your credit history together. But if not together, at least you will be able to have that information that you can see in front of you. And the more day-to-day monitoring to see your estimated credit score, you're going to utilize Credit Karma. We vouch for Credit Karma 110%. Of course, your credit card company, let's say Barclays or Capital One, etc., you're going to be able to go into the app. Founders, the Founders of a credit union, they still have like the little credit wise. They're going to be able to show you your estimated credit score. These things you want to look at. I look at my credit score usually when Credit Karma gives the, some form of update, but definitely twice a month, I look at my credit score utilizing my apps and also Credit Karma. And Credit Karma is also good because it is second to the credit report that I just told you to request from annualcreditreport.com. Credit Karma is second to that in showing you your credit history. So these 2 sources is what you're going to utilize to accomplish that third goal. But again, what we would be doing together is taking a look at your credit report and your Credit Karma and putting a strategy together to increase that credit score. Questions, comments, concerns. We are honestly at the end of tonight's session. It is very abbreviated because we are virtual and because it is 8 p.m. or at this point 9 p.m. on a school night and on a work night. So your next steps is to schedule your budgeting consultation with me. I just left my number in the group chat. It's 803-524-0027. Some of those that requested information, if you don't get it from me in the next 24 hours, make sure you text me. Some of you should already know you should get how the communications transpired. And I'm talking Miss Giftberta, I got back to you today. Jasmine, I've already fulfilled what I needed to for you, but I'll make sure I get this information to you as well. But again, please text me at 803-524-0027. Boom, boom, boom. Yes, I will make sure you get a copy. Stay connected with me via jimmyworthy.com and refer a family member or friend, especially after you find success in improving, well, number one, creating a household budget, seeing your savings increase, and seeing your credit score increase. Guys, and ladies and gentlemen, I enjoy this session tonight. I hope that you have a great 2024 and create those goals for yourself. And I am here to help you in any way that I can. Other than that, good night, and I will see you next time.